All right, welcome back to CW's Garage. We're driving the truck right now. It's been a fun past couple days. I took some time off work to try to get the truck finished, you know? Okay, all right. Just keep on trying. Anyway, I've had a couple struggles, but it's moving under its own power, and runs good, shifting good. One thing that people need to definitely want to pay attention to whenever you're wiring is make sure that you pin out the ECU correctly. Because I had one wire off for the oxygen sensor, so only one of the oxygen sensors was reading, so that was causing a lot of issues getting it to idle right and everything. So I fixed that and opened out the wire and everything, traced that back down. Did a lot of flipping oxygen sensor from side to side, plugging the wires from side to side, you know. But in the end, just double check your wiring. Verify that all your pinouts that you changed or moved are in the right location. What else? Then after I got that hashed out, I noticed one of the cylinders was not firing. It wasn't throwing a misfire code though, so it's kind of harder to diagnose it. But I just got a temperature IR scanner and was able to see if a cylinder was cold. So one of the number 5 cylinder, I was like, okay, well, I'm like, okay, maybe it's the coil. So I swapped the coil between number 1 and number 5. No change. Number 5 still bad. Plug wires are brand new. Plugs, I reused the plugs because they just weren't old. I don't think they'd been in the truck for very long. And $11 a piece. Why would you want to throw away money for that? So I had another LS sitting around. So I pulled the plug, and one of the plugs was cracked. The porcelain was cracked. You couldn't even see it, but you could feel it. So I went ahead and put one from the 6 liter I had sitting around, and just threw the plug in there. No more misfire. All the cylinders are running pretty evenly. I need to adjust the shift points. That's what I need to do next, because it's a little it's like first gear, it's like, okay, bye. It goes into second as soon as it can. So I need to address that. I need to get rid of the bump stops. I don't know why I didn't do that whenever I had everything apart, but that's neither here nor there. And put some small ones, something in there, you know. Cruise control's working. What else we got? Cruise control works. Speedometer is reading accurately. Tachometer is accurate. I think I did a little video on programming the tach. And the speedo is pretty similar way to program it. So I didn't do anything on that one. It's easier for you to read the manual and let the manual tell you how to do that than me, because you may do it. There's a couple different ways you can calibrate the speedometer, and you've also got to set up the signal for the speedometer as well. So yeah, anyway, that's the ins and outs of it. Truck's running good. It's been a long road to get to this point, but hey, we're there, and just in time for spring and summer to enjoy driving around, you know. If I go through some more things that I feel like I need to, not need to bit with them, I need to address, or, you know, would benefit someone, I'll you know, make some more content about it. But this is going to be pretty much getting to the end of the road of this project. We'll be sending it over to my aunt and uncle so they can enjoy it. But I really appreciate everyone hanging out, tagging along. You know, there's a lot of stuff I missed while I was doing this. Didn't get content for it or videos of whatever, you know. But it's mostly because you know, this is the first time I'm doing it, and I don't think anybody wants to sit there and watch a dude do the wrong thing over and over, you know. So this is where we're at, and anyway, like I said, if I come up with more stuff that I think that anyone can benefit from, I'll definitely put it up there. All right, taking the missus out for a ride in the old 86. It's the first time she's getting to ride in it, so I guess I could have cleaned the hood or the whole thing.
Well, just excited that it's running.
I know. It's pretty awesome.
Yeah, it is.
I did this in about 3.5 months, I guess. Or a little over 3 months. Started it in the middle of December. Right?
No, you started it in January.
It was January, yeah.
So February, March, really like 2.5 months? 2 months?
Good grief.
Because right now, what is it?
It's not even. It's like
March
the
24th.
Yeah. Okay, so
2
LS
months
Swapped
in a week?
and 2 months in a week. That's a.
Something like that?
Yeah. And I've had some help, but majority of it I did, by myself. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
But it seems to be running good.
Yeah.
And that's the exhaust I was telling you is like a little much.
Oh.
Just the Flowmaster that's on there is a little worn out. Oh, turtle.
Oh, little guy. Should we save him? There's a truck coming.
Okay.
It's fine.
Hopefully he makes it across the road, or this truck avoids you. It's gonna get a little chilly in here. The little AC is actually working pretty good.
Yeah.
Damn, it's down to 40-something degrees.
Oh.
I guess I got the charge right. I don't know.
So,
We'll find out. Uncle Kevin will let me know, I bet. That went with the thrill.
that.
Do what?
I said, don't be messing with that. You just focus on driving.
This is what it's like every time she's in the car. I'm always fucking with shit.
You don't need to be fucking with shit when we're in someone else's car.
What's the difference?
What if something happened?
Oh, anyway, truck's running and driving. You probably can't hear us anymore, so we'll wrap it up and we're gonna go eat dinner. All right. Look who's driving. She said she likes the size of the truck.
It's a good size.
It's a damn good size. It's steel cap short bed.
Little person size.
Yeah, for little people like us. Little shorties.
Yeah.
Short peeps. Yep, she's gonna drive us home.
Yeah, because someone over here.
Well, someone was adulting, and it wasn't me. I can tell you that.
Yeah. Celebrating.
I was celebrating. I've been not drinking for like the past month,
And look how much you accomplished.
and I've got a lot done. I gotta admit, my non-alcoholic beer does not slow me down near as much as regular beer. So.
Yeah. Makes a big difference.
Don't worry, I'm gonna delete this video. But no, we're having a good time.
Having a good time.
We're having a good time. In case you ever forget, I'm gonna tell you.
I'll be here to remind you.
Yeah, Serena will be.
Just don't forget, we're having a good time. There'll be times when you're like, I'm not sure if we're having a good time anymore, but I'll be here to let you know.
All right, we'll see y'all later. All right, we're headed back. We're headed to take the truck back to my aunt. So yeah, pretty exciting. I'm excited for her to get to see it and drive it and enjoy it. I'm sure there will be a little hiccups we got to work out along the way, but shouldn't take much to get it, perfect. So yeah, we're just gonna make it's about an hour and some change to get there. So we're headed that way, and I got Serena in front of me in the Suburban dragging a trailer because we're bringing home another vehicle, but this one's for me. So pretty excited about that. You'll see what it is here in a little bit. But anyway, enjoy the ride. Make a quick stop for Serena to adjust the mirrors. She's well, she's pulled a trailer before. It's just been a long time since she's done it. So yeah, just trying to get her comfortable. All right, back at it. Leg the ride back to my aunt's house. Can't wait for her to see the truck. It's been a lot of work, a lot of time spent, but it'll be worth it because she actually get to drive the truck and it'll do everything that the donor truck did for the most part. You know, just less seat capacity. That's about it. I think that she's gonna really enjoy it. It's just been sitting around for years, not being able to be driven. My grandmother had it repainted, and my uncle done some stuff to get it back on the road, but my grandmother didn't drive it a whole lot after that. And you know how it is whenever you've got an old carbureted drivetrain, 305, turbo 350, you can't do modern highway speeds. You know, there's just a lot of pitfalls to having something that was just the way it was in 1986. You know, it's just much more reliable now. Just the drivability. I mean, I don't have to sell it to y'all if you're watching a video about an LS swap. I think, well, I guess I could try to sell it. If you're on the fence about it, do it. I don't see any reason why you wouldn't do it. So, you know, shoot. Not a whole lot to say. I feel like I talk too much half the time whenever I'm kind of just tuned around. And, I don't know. I'm just real excited for this. Real happy for it to have a new life again, you know? So, I really appreciate everybody following along with the journey and everything. It's been a lot of fun. I've learned a lot, and like everyone else, you know, you continue to learn more every time you turn around, you know? But there's still a lot I don't know about this stuff, but we'll figure it out, you know? Just keep on trucking. All right. Well, I appreciate everybody tuning in. Thanks. All right, we're at my aunt's. My aunt is so thrilled. This is my aunt and uncle.
Hello.
Y'all probably saw a little bit of Kevin in the videos.
He didn't know it, but he was in there. But I'm just gonna kind of show you what it looks like under here now. Looks kind of factory. That's what I wanted to go with. I think that's what Kevin wanted to.
Yeah.
Make it easy. Make it easier for him to get parts and everything. So, yeah, they're thrilled and they can't wait to drive it, right? Huh?
Absolutely.
Well, thanks everyone for watching.
But just remember, if you're not doing it twice, you're probably not doing it right. Thanks for watching.